Does doing laundry for the family take more time than it should? Does your laundry care keep the family safe? Do you need special care for delicate fabrics? The Bosch Series 6 all-in-one washer-dryer is the perfect help that gives complete laundry protection for your household.
I'm not crazy about household chores, so I'm a fan of whatever does the job with the best results and the least hassle. That's why I love my Bosch washer-dryer. I have limited space in my apartment, so having one machine that does both washing and drying really well is a winner. Pop in the dirty laundry, set it to wash and dry, and the clothes come out all nice, dry and warm. There's no need to transfer the clothes, hang out the laundry, or worry about the weather. And I don't have to waste money and space on a separate dryer. It's efficient and easy, just the way I like it.
I'm a doctor, so hygiene has always been very important to me. I like that my washer has great features that take care of a whole range of needs. There's high temperature to kill germs and mites, pre-wash treatment for tougher fabrics, and gentler washes for delicate ones. It gives me peace of mind to know that it gets germs off my clothes. And yet it is also friendly for sensitive skin with no need to use harsh chemicals. I don't have time to bother with hand washing clothes. I really like that I can trust my washer to handle even delicate clothes. The washer drum has this unique wave design with a steep side that provides a gentle scrubbing effect to remove dirt and a flat side which smoothly cleans the fabrics. This combination simulates hand washing, which means I get the best of both worlds. The clothes get thoroughly washed without damaging delicate fabrics. This is useful because some clothes are quite expensive or more dear to me.
I have little ones at home, so you can imagine the chaos and endless chores I go through daily. I sometimes only get to catch up on laundry at night, so I'm thankful to have a washer that is super quiet. I can leave it running without disturbing the kids, and I really appreciate the peace and quiet around the house as I'm winding down the day. I'm sure a lot of parents with small children can relate to what I'm saying. Quiet evenings are completely priceless.
One of my favorite things about this washer is the Speed Perfect feature. It can wash my clothes in less than half the time it usually takes, which is great when I'm in a hurry, which I always seem to be. I mean, I work long hours and I still have to take care of the family, so there's not a lot of time to spend on laundry. So when dirty clothes start piling up, I'm happy that I can speed up the cycle and cover more loads in a day without compromising the wash results.
Save time, effort, and space with a quiet but powerful machine that delivers the best hygiene and fabric care for your peace of mind. With an impressive range of washing and drying options, you can count on the Bosch Series 6 washer-dryer for total laundry protection and experience the beauty, power, and reliability of German engineering in action every time.